Right, so where are we? We're day 5 to start Varg, and she's looking pretty warm. We've done everything from Sand Track and Prego. We're at Casares today, which is awesome. Big track. It's been good. The bike's amazing, but you know, I had my first major crash yesterday, and I had to have 2 of them. The second one was worse, where I jumped. I was coming past you and giving him a bit of room, and I jumped, landed on the bank with a bunch of boulders, went flying through the air. Would have been like a 3rd gear crash. Luckily, I'm all right. I've got a pretty bad bruise here that I think is going to come out in a couple of days. But I feel all right today. And yeah, the bike's a bit bent up. I mean, if you have a look here, you know, all these plastics are going to need replacing. If you look around here, split the plastic here. To be quite honest, I've got a load of graphics that need to go on, so I would need to change that anyway. And then where the seat joins around the edge here, that ripped into the seat and cut the seat there. You see, I've just got a bit of duct tape on it. So yeah, she's looking worn. She's looking worn. The sand would have taken a bit out of her yesterday, but the bike is incredibly fast, and yeah, just getting used to her. Amazing bit of kit, but I'll do some more on the positives and negatives of the bike and some of the issues I've had so far. We are now, I mean, this will be the 7th time I've ridden it. All right, chat to you soon. Bye. So I just did loads of laps and loads with Robin as well, and the GoPro didn't record, so I'm going to do a quick lap of Casares. Casares, is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah.
Which is beautiful.
Stay away.
Beautiful place. I did a full running commentary, and I've lost it all because the GoPro decided to stop recording. There's JB up there. High there. Now this double is really difficult. Oh, it's about a metre too short there. Ah, cut that up. Woo! Nice little cross up on this. Getting that right. Through the ribbon section. Oh man, she's out of breath. Just about. So difficult not to case that corner. Woo! Yeah! Alright! Little cross up here. Down the hill. Right, on a double. Alright! That will have to do, because I'm not really supposed to be out there. But you know what, I think we better do another lap. Let's get through this ribbon section. Woo! That was a hard landing, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Right, I nearly knocked myself out with that overshoot there.
Shit.
Went bang on my head. So
GoPro's still recording.
yeah, I know.
Are you gonna try and do these jumps so I can get some photos?
Yeah, go on then. I'll do these and then that's it. Just need to get my breath a bit. Right, I've got to brake now. Yeah, the old body took a bit of a pound in it. Oh god, I don't know, over jump that. That's the thing with the electric, you just don't know. Speed wise, you can be faster than it appears. That, my friends, was a lap to sales, and I'm shocked. We've had 5 days motocross. I'm feeling quite bike fit now, but I cased that big time earlier. Whack my chin.
Did some bursts of photos, just open up. Delete the ones you don't like, but I've got some really good photos.
That's all good. See you, folks.